We recently moved house, and as soon as we settled in, we decided to have some of our furniture cleaned. Moving can really dirty up your things. We inquired with a few professional cleaners, but only one said that they had the expertise to clean sofas and furniture made of suede and leather upholstery. We had put seat covers on these, but somehow over time they still got moldy with yellow stains, which we just didn't know how to remove. Simply Clean Philippines sent over a team for deep cleaning. They started with a dry vacuum to remove dirt and dust off the surface. Then they did shampooing, followed by dry steaming for bed bugs, dust mite, and all those stubborn stains. As Lady Macbeth would say, out damn spot! And finally, drying. They even threw in free bedroom disinfection. The process took about 4 hours. And the results? Wow, see for yourself. Ta-da! The sofas came out so nice and clean. They removed all the stains and it all looks brand new and smells real good. They even gave us pointers how to maintain leathery upholstery. It's better not to cover them so that they can breathe and molds won't grow. Quick weekly wipe downs would suffice, and if you see a stain, they say the key is not to let it settle in. My son Richard is so happy with his couch. I hope that he doesn't become a couch potato. Quick and efficient service, no fuss. We're very happy with how they clean our sofas. Try them out. Simply Clean.